In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Polymarket account quickly and securely. So if you no longer want to use the platform, you can close everything the right way. Before we start, if Polymarket isn't working in your location or just want to stay private while handling your account, I recommend using NordVPN, which you can try at a great price through the link in the description to keep your connection secure. First, log in to your Polymarket account using the same wallet or email you originally used. Once you're logged in, go to your account settings or profile section. This is where all your personal and security options are located. Before deleting your account, make sure you withdraw any remaining funds. If you still have USDC or open positions in markets, close your trades and transfer your balance back to your wallet or payment method. Polymarket will not be able to recover funds after an account is closed, so this step is very important. After your balance is empty, scroll through the settings and look for account management or privacy settings. Polymarket does not provide a one-click delete button, so you'll need to request account removal through their support or help section. Click on the support option and submit a request stating that you want your account permanently deleted. In your message, include the email address or wallet you used to create the account so they can verify your identity. Once the request is submitted, Polymarket's support team will review it and process the deletion. This usually takes a short amount of time, depending on verification. After your account is deleted, you will no longer be able to log in, and all your personal data associated with that account will be removed from their system. And again, if you're managing sensitive accounts or submitting deletion requests, it's always smart to protect your connection. That's why I recommend using NordVPN, available through the link in the description, to try at a great price to keep your data private while you're online.